I used to lose more than a full workday every week, just searching for and gathering information buried in browser tabs and outdated reports. A McKinsey Global Institute analysis puts the real number at 9.3 hours a week. Right now, in July 2026, that search tax is officially optional. I've ditched my entire paid research stack for Perplexity Pro, and I'm going to show you the exact workflows that win back those hours every single week. The 2025 approach to research was a chaotic mess of Google searches, Wikipedia rabbit holes, and 20 open tabs. But that model is already obsolete. McKinsey research shows that generative AI has the potential to automate work activities that absorb 60 to 70% of an employee's time today. Perplexity Pro is the engine driving this shift by moving us from search results to answers. While other remote workers are still Googling, we are using agentic search to synthesize insights in real time. The same shift Gartner named the next stage of search in its 2026 market guide. Soon, the idea of manually compiling a research brief from multiple websites will be seen as a total waste of human capital. Market research used to take 3 days. These days, it takes 3 minutes. Cybernews recently ranked Perplexity as one of the best AI tools for market research, because it turns raw data into insights faster than anything else on the market. Step 1. Set your focus to internet. Step 2. Use this prompt. Identify the top 3 emerging trends in the UK life sciences sector for Q3 2026. Cite only verified industry reports. Step 3. Use the Pages feature to generate a polished report for your team. This workflow leverages what author Ethan Mollick calls co-intelligence, treating the AI as a senior researcher sitting at your desk. We need to talk about why this tool is essential for freelancers. Data from the National Bureau of Economic Research found that access to AI-based conversational assistance increases productivity by 14% on average, though that study measured call center agents using AI chat support, not freelance researchers. The pattern still holds for knowledge work. The same NBR study found that for its lowest skilled workers, the jump was 34%, and every AI adoption study since has shown the same shape. The less experienced you are, the more you gain. Perplexity disseminates the best practices of expert researchers across your entire operation, even if you're a solopreneur. You're moving down the experience curve in seconds, allowing you to perform at a senior level from day one. One of the tools First Round's 2026 State of Startups survey highlighted is an AI that can handle technical vetting. When I need to evaluate a new software stack, I don't read marketing pages. Step 1. Upload the technical documentation PDF to Perplexity. Step 2. Ask the research agent to find 3 logic gaps or security vulnerabilities mentioned in the June 2026 patch notes. Step 3. Compare the results against a second model, like Claude 3.5, for factual consistency. This harness engineering approach ensures you aren't just chatting with a bot, but verifying the foundation of your business. This quarter, the biggest mistake is only searching for your own data. I run a make scenario that calls Perplexity's API directly, pulling competitor data into my Airtable while I sleep. Every Monday at 8 a.m., the script triggers a search for latest funding rounds and C-suite changes for a list of 5 URLs. The AI summarizes the sentiment and pushes it to my dashboard. This is part of what MIT economist Eric Brynjolfsson has called the $3 trillion productivity shift, where we move from shallow tasks to agentic orchestration. You stop being the person searching for information and start being the person who decides what to do with it. Is Perplexity Pro 100% perfect? No. These days, the reliability gap is still real. AI models still fail about 1 in 5 complex logic or accounting tasks. This is why the Pro Search mode is critical. It shows you exactly which sources it used. Never trust an answer without a citation. You must remain the architect in the loop, much like the principles-based approach law firm leaders are adopting this quarter, according to the American Bar Association's 2026 Legal Technology Survey. Use Perplexity to build the first draft, but reserve your own deep focus time for the deep work and final verification. By 2027, the concept of a search engine will be as dead as the phone book. Many knowledge workers already split their week between home and office, and the ones who thrive are the ones who embrace being AI native, per that same McKinsey analysis. By reclaiming that time each week from the search tax, you buy yourself the freedom to focus on awe-inspiring creative work that actually moves the needle. The kind MIT economist David Autor argues only humans can do. Ditching your old research stack for Perplexity isn't just about saving money. It's about reclaiming your time to focus on the work that AI can't do yet. You just learned the July 2026 blueprint for winning back one full day of your work week. Turning a chaotic research process into a self-running engine is how you dominate the remote economy. Next week, I'm breaking down the Claude prompt stack that writes my legal docs in under 4 minutes. Subscribe so you don't miss that build, and I'll see you in the next one.